Ram, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, first of all, welcome back to your online classes. Children, in my previous video, we have discussed about chapter number 3, log on to MS Excel 2007. Today, we are going to start chapter number 4, editing a worksheet. Children, in this chapter, we will discuss about the following topics. Number 1 is selecting cells. Second, entering numbers as text, date and time. And lastly, we will discuss about how to changing cell contents. And in changing cell contents, we will discuss the subtopic replacing cell contents and using edit modes. Clear? Children, MS Excel is an application software used to perform mathematical calculation. After entering data in a worksheet, we may need to make some changes in it. Children, we can add more data and edit its content. Clear? Children, editing a worksheet involves changing cell contents, copying and moving data, inserting or deleting rows and columns. Clear? Understood? Children, now first of all, we will discuss about how to select the cells. Children, in MS Excel, we need to select a group of cells to perform any action on them. Children, we can select them in any of the following ways. Clear? Now children, look at the table. Children, this is the select and this is the action. Children, in this table, a row and column. Children, in a row and column, click on rows and column heading. If you select entire worksheet, press Ctrl A or click on select all button located on the top of first row heading. If you select adjacent rows and columns, then select first row of the column and hold down shift key while you select the last row or column. Next is now non-adjacent rows, columns. Children, if you are selecting non-adjacent rows and columns, then click on rows and columns, hold down the control key when you click on other rows and column for selections. Clear? Now children, come to the entering number as text, date and time. Children, to enter numbers as text, place apostrophe before the numbers. Children, the digit will be treated as text. Next is to enter date or time in a cell. Children, first of all, enter date and time in a cell. You have to type a number. After that, click on enter button next to the formula bar. Clear? Now children, here first of all click on the format button of the Excel sheet. Children, in the cell group of the home tab, format button is available in the cell group on the home tab. After selecting format button, format some option will come. You have to select format cell option. After that you select the number tab. After selecting number, click on date or time. Choose the type of format and click on OK. Understood? Children, come to the changing cell contents. Children, the character and the numbers typed in Excel can be seen both in cell as well as in formula bar. To enter type contents, we can also use enter button present on left of formula bar in place of enter key. Okay? Children, there are two buttons, X cancel button and enter buttons are present on the left of the formula bar. Cell contents can be modified in two ways. Number one, replacing cell contents or by using edit mode. Okay? Children, first of all, replacing cell contents. Children, to change contents of cell, select the cell and then click on the formula bar where you want to insert characters. Now make modifications in the formula bar. To turn on overtype mode, double click on the cell and press the insert key from the keyboard. The existing characters are replaced by new characters while you type. Clear? Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen of how to replace the cell contents. Children, by default you can edit the cell contents directly and replace them with a new entry. Open a new worksheet and type the data. Okay. Activate the cell, this one D6, by clicking on it. Now type this one, the record of Ankur 56. Now you type 65 in the cell here and press enter. Note that the previous value of this 56 replaced with a 65. Children, similarly try to change the content of other cells. Children, you can also edit the cell contents. To change the content of the cell, select the cell, any cell you have to select, and then click on the formula bar where you want to insert characters. Now make modification in the formula bar. Okay. Now children, when overtype mode is turned on, cursor changes to the thick blinking bar. The blinking bar is visible only when you are in edit mode. Now children, next is by using edit mode. To edit the cell contents, select the cell and press F2 key. The cursor will blink at the end of the cell contents. Okay. Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen of how to edit the cell contents. Children, select the cell D6. Double click on the cell to edit it. The data is also displayed in the formula bar. The data will also display on the formula bar. The insertion point will blink in the cell. This is the cell. Note that the edit mode is indicated to the left side of the status bar. This is the status bar, left side of the status bar. Press the enter key, the changes will be entered in the current cell. This is the current cell. Now notice edit mode indicator changes to ready mode. So this values previously is 56, it is replaced to 65. Okay. Now children, I hope you all are understanding about how to edit a worksheet. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. In the next video, we will study about undo and redo features, inserting column and rows, copying and moving data, and autofill features of MS Excel. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.